Hello friends, welcome to Anshu's Solutions. Today I am sharing lesson plan number 5 of English language B.ed 3rd sem. This is a lesson plan of composition. So I've already shown you all 4 lesson plans, one for prose, one for poetry and 2 lesson plans of grammar. Now this is for composition, which is of a formal letter. Here we will be explaining how to write a formal letter. This is for class 7. The plan will start. By now you all must have known the pattern, that is name of pupil, teacher, name of school, subject, class, topic, period and duration. Then we'll start with general aims. These are always 5 in numbers. Like in composition, the general aim can be to improve the writing skills of the students, to enable them to write a letter using a simple language, to enhance their vocabulary, to help them to write in a formal way, to help them to write to the point. Specific aim is to enable the students to write a formal letter. Teaching aid is you can use a chart or a picture of formal letter to show the steps in illustrative examples. Skills to be developed here are listening skills, thinking ability and writing skills. Then comes the introductory questions. The introductory questions are actually asked by the teacher to the students before declaring the topic. Like here I've written what is communication. Communication means giving a message or talking to someone. This is the answer that will be given by the students. Similarly, we'll ask 3-4 questions. Like the 4th question is what type of letters. So the students will say formal or informal letters. So here we have reached our topic, which is formal letter writing. Then comes the statement of aim, then presentation. The topic will be explained in simple language. This topic will be taught in single unit. The letter writing format will be explained. Then the teaching method used over here is explanation cum discussion method, because we will be explaining how to write it and simultaneously we'll discuss it with the students also. Then there are 4 headings. As we are completing this in single unit, you don't have to write unit 1 or unit 2. There are 4 columns: teaching objective, teacher's activity, student activity, blackboard work. Whenever we are starting the explanation, always write the heading on the blackboard column. Like I've written formal letter. You can stick a miniature over here. Teaching objective is to create interest among the students for the topic. Then we'll start discussing what are the different kinds of letters. Students will say formal and informal. When do we write a formal letter? This way we will start the explanation. On the next page, I have explained the format. You all can zoom in to see the miniature where the steps are given. And similarly, we will highlight the steps in the explanation part, like step 1, step 2, step 3. This way you can explain the various steps, giving examples. The steps are continued, so there are 8 steps. Then the teaching objective over here is to develop the writing skills. You can stick a miniature of an illustration, like any example. You can get it through Google or YouTube and you can explain it. Then here we don't write recapitulatory questions. In composition we write appreciation questions. Similarly, in poetry also you will write appreciation questions. This can be 3 to 5 questions. Then comes the classwork, where you can give them the question of writing a letter to the principal or teacher, asking for relief for 7 days due to medical issues. Then 1 question for homework. And here the lesson plan ends. Hope this is helpful. Thank you. Please like and share.